Wagwan, I'm your girl Alicia, and welcome back to another episode of PBCJ's Entertainment Recap. Let's get into it. So then, New York attorney at law Shenseea has decided to organize a sound clash. The musical battle will involve Clash Kings Tony Matterhorn and Panther. The online event will happen on July 4th and will also pay respects to the selectors who have played an integral role in keeping the country's clash culture alive. Then this no bad. Internet sensation Rose from Montego Bay was asked for a hand in marriage by a longtime boyfriend, ex-Ford. Oh, they're expecting a baby. Congrats to you too. See? Words from Yanique Curvy Diva Barrett herself after being locked out of her Instagram verified account for 4 months. This is what she had to say to Wally British about it.
It was nice seeing you, my love.
Listen, look what let me tell you, but after Instagram, because I whole heap of confusion going with Instagram. Whole heap of things, because I say my account, but then because me forget the password, them I say on my own hacker try to keep their things. But look how
your main account?
My main account, that's why I do the backup page and I said to myself, say yo, what a wicked time that is a corona, yeah. Aye, but everything
you said you send out and you forget your password.
Listen, my phone crashed first and then now me go back in now for try get in from my Instagram, but me forget my password, so me I send in request. But I don't know which account whatever, and me don't know what one, but Instagram tell me, say, hold on, me need more verification, all sort of stuff. Me I say, hold on, me not verified, do not go check on the file. Check on the file and come reach me.
Welcome back, Curvy Diva. And so, dancehall artist D'Angel is now on OnlyFans with 100,000 subscribers. With a picture posed on the edge of a poolside with a very scenic backdrop, she urges her Instagram followers to go subscribe to her OnlyFans page. OnlyFans is an online adult entertainment website. It seems like OnlyFans is a vibe for our local celebs because all Popcorn sister want join too. 23-year-old dancehall artist Quada has appeared in court to answer to murder and arson charges. Shaquille Quada Clark was granted bail for a sum of $500,000 on January 17th. According to reports, the artist was part of an angry mob that forced its way into the home of 29-year-old Miguel Williams' house, beat him, placed tires around his body, and lit him inside the building. Williams was said to be mentally challenged, and his killing is believed to be in relation to the murder of 8-year-old Shenseea, a student of the Red Hills Primary School. He appeared in court on Wednesday, June 24th. So I could see what I go on now. Raven King Ding Dong celebrates his first marriage anniversary with his wife Tashana. Happy anniversary to you, Ding Dong, and your wife from the PBCJ family.
Set the trend. We set the trend. Set the trend. Set the trend. We set the trend.
What did we do to deserve our very own superhero? Yes, I said it. We locally have our very own Spiderman. Check it out. Wayne Marshall has come together with Jesse Royal, Kabaka Pyramid and Natural High to create a motivational musical, Cane Fields. Check out the visuals.
Natural life.
I've been working till my fingers bleed and toiling in these fields and still can't get no basic needs, no basic needs. I've been working till my...
Condolences to Shenseea and her family for the loss of her mother on Thursday, June 25th. We, the PBCJ family, have you in our hearts. Thanks again, guys, for watching PBCJ's Entertainment Recap. I'm your host, Alicia. And remember to follow us on all socials at PBC Jamaica. And big ups to Ear Candy Collections for my earring, of course. And follow them to know at the Ear Candy Collection. Yeah. And always and forever, big up you.